Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chili Relleno casserole, easy method. Roast poblano peppers until charred, peel and dice them, then whisk eggs with milk, fold in cheeses and chopped peppers, layer with tortillas or bread, season with salt and pepper, and bake at 375 degrees F until puffed and set, about 30-35 minutes. Let rest 5 minutes before serving and enjoy. Prep ingredients first to keep the bake moving smoothly. Roast peppers, grate cheese, and preheat oven to 375 degrees F. Whisk eggs and milk until blended, then stir in cheeses and chopped peppers for texture and flavor. Layer a greased casserole dish with tortillas or torn bread, pour the egg mixture evenly, and bake until the center is set and the top browns lightly for a comforting, cheesy dinner. If you're enjoying this tutorial, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful recipes. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car, grab Little Tree's black ice, link in description for a little freshness after grocery runs or kitchen cleanup. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Start by roasting and peeling poblanos so the skins slip off easily. Chop them into bite-sized pieces. Assemble layers with tortillas or bread, spread chopped peppers, pour the egg and cheese mixture over everything, and press gently. Bake at 375 degrees F for 30-35 minutes until puffed and golden. Resting 5 minutes helps slices hold together, while flavors meld into a warm, family-friendly casserole everyone will enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.